Honey, honey. Oh, ayan yung honey, oh. Kaya gusto niyang maging matamis na matamis siya.
And this is the cactus. Sage is good. You can with juice is good also. And this is the white flower is good. Next one is the avocado. Is there? Wow, look at the color of that. See, it is the stronger, the darker. This is more with sugar.
Ayan.
The cactus one, labi.
Sugary.
The cactus is more sugar. Yeah. So sweet. Yeah. Look at the difference of the texture itself. Yan o, kasama yung honeycomb. Woo! And this is the honeycomb.
Honeycomb, hicom. 100% raw.
Kasi ng malalaki, mas gusto ko yung malaki.